Dear students, write a question. If P is the sum of odd terms and Q is sum of even terms, in the expansion of x plus a whole power n, then prove that proceed. 4 marks question. Using binomial theorem, prove that 101 power 50 is greater than 100 power 50 plus 99 power 50. How? See? Consider 101 power 50 minus 99 power 50. 101 means how to write 100 plus 1 power 50 minus of 100 minus 1 50. Clear? Now, anyone, what is the expansion of 100 plus 1? Can you guess? Anyone? What the result is coming? 50 C naught into 100 power 50 plus 50 C1 into 100 power 49, 50 C2 into 100 power 48. Okay, and so on. Okay, it's going on. What the last term? 50 C 49 into 100 plus into 1 minus, what is the expansion of that one? 100 minus 1, anyone? So what is the expansion of 100 minus 1? That is say 50 C naught 100 power 50 minus 50 C1 into 100 power 49, 50 C2 into 100 power 48, and so on. Fine. What the last term is coming? 50 C 50 is coming. So what you are observing, dear students? See, it's clear or not? So means what here? Each and this term is repeated. This one and this one. This is minus and minus plus. That is meaning 2 times. Each and every term repeat twice. 50 C1 into 100 for 49. Am I correct? 50 C3 into. See carefully. Am I correct or wrong? 100 for 47. And so on. What is the last step? 50 C 49. 100. Anyone? So first of all, do I hear anyone? See carefully. I'm writing. See carefully. 50 C1 is how much? 100. 50. 50 into 100. 100 into 100 for 49. That is 100 for 50. Plus 2 into, simplify this one. 2 into 50 C3 into 100 for 47. 2 into 50 C5. 100 for 45. And so on. 200. 2 is there. What is this? 101 for 50 minus 99 for 50 is equal to anyone. What is the logic? See carefully. whole expression is greater than 100 power 50. Anyone accepting, all of you? See carefully. Simple example here. 2 plus 3 is there. Is it greater than 3 or not? 2 plus 3 is greater than 2 or not? Accepting like that. See, 100 power 50 something means 100 power 50 plus k means it should be greater than 100 power 50. All of you, yes, what I do? Any doubts? So like that here, what I'm doing, see carefully. That is the case. Now comparing this one. So 101 power 50 minus 99 power 50 is greater than what? Is greater than 100 power 50. Therefore, 99 transpose this side. Hence proof. 4 marks question. Okay. Question number 1. Find 13th term and independent term in expansion of 9x minus 1 by 3 root x whole power 18. Find the 13th term and independent term in independent term is constant term. They can ask anywhere. Okay. Now see. Better just a minute. This one. Sixth term. Now how to solve dear students? See. First I'm finding sixth term. Sixth term means what? T6. Am I correct? T6 means how to write T suffix 5 plus 1. That means NCR into X power R, N minus R into Y power R formula. So N means how much? 18C5, R is 5. X means 9x power, 18 minus 5 means 11 minus 1 by 3 root x 4 power 5. Simplify anyone? 18c5 9 power 11 x power 11 minus 1 by 3 power 5 into x power 5 by 2. That is the answer. This is the sixth term. So independent term means what? What is the independent term? What is the formula? I told you R is equal to NP minus K by P plus Q. This is what K is what independent term means what general coefficient of x power 0. That is the meaning. K means 0 here. So tell me, N means 18. What is the P here? P is how much? Comparing with A into x power P plus 1 by B into x power Q. Whole power N. That is the meaning. So 18 into P 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2. 12 is coming. So R is 12. That means what now? That is 13th term. So independent term is no need worry about x. Remove x directly. X is cancelled directly. Time saving. 18c12 into 9 power 6 into minus 1 by 3 whole power 6. That is the answer. 18c12 means we can directly empty 186 into 9 power 6 by 3 power 6. How much is coming? Simplify. Why? Because NCR is equal to NC minus. Did it? Now see, one. Find the number of rational terms in x power 1 by 5 plus y power 1 by 10 whole power 55. Question number 1. 2. 5 power 1 by 2 plus 7 power 1 by 8 whole power 1024. Number of rational terms. Sometimes they are asking another way. What is the another way? Free from radical signs. So I will do a small example. Generally, 2 plus root 3 whole square. What is the formula? A plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab means 4 root 3 plus b square. So rational numbers means here 4 is a rational number, 3 is a rational number. How many are there? There are 2 rational numbers. Irrational number means only 1, that is 4 root 3. That is the meaning. So after expanding, how many rational numbers are there? How many rational numbers are there? They're asking. So you should understand number of rational terms plus number of irrational terms is nothing but total number of terms in the expansion. Suppose, okay, fine. But here 2 plus root 3 whole square, whole cube, whole power 4, okay. But sometimes they're asking whole power 100. But if you are expanding like this only up to Rajahmundry Godar Bridge, not possible. So without expanding, how to solve? So directly I'm giving shortcut method, dear students. Question number 1, 2. There are 2 questions are there. From the first question, see carefully. The number of radical better number of rational, no problem. Oh, right. What is the question once again? Find total number of rational terms. They can ask another way. R free from radical signs in 1 x power 1 by 5 plus y power 1 by 10 whole power 55 whole power 1024. So what is the procedure? See, number of rational terms. What is the formula? Every time integral part 55 by integral part of 55 by LCM of 5 comma 10 only. After that, just add 1. That's our question number 1. What is the LCM of 5 and 10 in a 1? That is 10. Am I correct? 55 by 10 means how much? 5.5. What is the integral part? 5. Am I correct? Plus 1. So answer is what? 6. That is the answer. Question number 2. Number of rational terms in 5 power 1 by 2 plus 7 power 1 by 8 whole power 1024. Anyone? What is the logic? Integral part of 1024 by LCM of 2 comma 8 plus 1. 1024 by 8. LCM is 2 comma 8 means 8. So 1024 means 1024 by 8 means how much? Anyone? 8 2 is anyone? 100. Okay, exactly 16. 960 plus how much required? Yeah, 880. Yeah. So 128 plus 9 means that is 120. I mean 128 plus 1. So there are number of rational terms. How many are there? 129 terms are there. They can ask sometimes integral terms, rational terms, free from radical signs. So they can ask anywhere. Okay. Recently, JEE Mains exam is going on. No? Yesterday, they were asking one question based on this question. See, yesterday question. 3rd September 2020 JEE Mains. See, JEE Mains. Two power 1/2 plus 5 power 1/8 whole power n has 33 integral terms. Find the least value of n. That's the question. 256, 57, 255, like that they given. Write down. So dear students, what is the general term? TR plus 1 is equal to NCR into 2 power 1/2 whole power n minus r 5 power 1/8 whole power r. Am I correct? That means NCR into 2 power n minus r by 2. 5 power r by 8. Rational terms means what? N minus r by 2 means must n minus r by 2 means should be integer. R by 8 is also should be integer. Then only product is integer is coming. Rational numbers. Fine. That means for integral terms, r by 8, and n minus r by 2 must be integers. That means for your then r can be what from this case? Multiples of 8. Accepting or not? Multiples of 8. Okay. Including what is that? Zeros also possible. 8, 16, 24, and so on. Okay. Fine. Therefore, n is what? There are 33 terms are there. Okay. How to find? Each and every element should be what now? 0 plus. 33 means what here? What is the case? 33 integral terms means, here see carefully, 32 into each and every element is what? Multiples of 8. That's the meaning. Once again, I'm repeating. 33 means what here? It should be a multiples of 8 only. Then only can get integral terms. Multiples of 8 or must be multiples of 8. So how many are there? Total 33 integral terms are there, including r is also 0. You can get answer. So 32 into 8 is how much? 256. Therefore, no, least value of n is 256. Option is here. So n by LCM of 2 comma 8 plus 1 is equal to how much? 33 is there. To simplify, LCM is how much? 8 plus 1 is equal to how much? 33. So n by 8 is equal to 32. Now simplify for the case. What is the least value of n is coming? 6. Check it. Anyone? This is a shortcut method. N by 8 is equal to 32 means what? I can take 256. 257 is also correct. 250 is also correct. But in this case, what is the least value? That is the answer. Therefore, n should be 256. Multiply with 8, simple. So that the middle term in the expansion of the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 2n is 1 into 3 into 5 into and so on 2n minus 1 whole divided by n factorial into 2 power n into x power n. Completed? Right? So the what the power is given? Even number 2n is given. So what is the middle term? Here middle term is so to find 2n by 2 plus 1th term. That is n plus 1th term is the middle term. So what is the formula? Tr plus 1 means T suffix. That's the meaning now. What is the formula? 2ncn into 1 power 2n minus n into x power n. Okay. What is the value of 2ncn? 2n factorial by n factorial into n factorial. 2n factor means what or not? 2n into 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3 and so on. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 x power n by n factorial into n factorial. So in this case, what is the common factor? 2 is the common factor. See, 2 into 2 into repeat how many times? N times into what are the remaining? 1 into 2 into 3 and so on n. Remaining odd terms 1, 3, 5 and so on up to what? Odd terms into x power n by n factorial into n factorial. This is also n factorial, this is also n factorial cancel. Therefore, what is the answer? 2 power n into x power n into 2n minus 1 by that. Right? You completed? Still writing? Once raise your hands, all of you. Yeah, good here. Hey, Mohan, still here now. You didn't change my photo. Oh, great here. Great, great. Okay, next question, see. Hands down, please. Right on, next one. Find the right on. Find the coefficient of x power 10. Find the coefficient of x power 10. Okay. Just a minute, that is easy for you. Just a minute, HEC. Okay. Find the coefficient of x power 40 in 1 plus 2x plus x square whole power 27. Anyone? Tell me what is the procedure? Right on. Find the coefficient of x power 40 in 1 plus 2x plus x square whole power 27. Okay. How to simplify? See carefully. We have 1 plus 2x plus x square whole power 27 means how to write 1 plus x whole square. Am I correct? A plus b whole square formula. That means 1 plus x whole power 2 into 27 means 54. Now, yeah. Now, question is, now see carefully. Coefficient of x power 40 in 1 plus x whole power 54 is the question. How to solve? What is the formula? Yeah, we know that coefficient of x power r in 1 plus x whole power n is NCR. That is the formula. Now see the formula. So 54C 40. That is the answer. So coefficient of x power 40 is how much? 54C 40. That's all. Don't simplify. Next question right now. If coefficients of r minus 5th term and 2r minus 1th term in expansions 1 plus x whole power 34 are equal. Coefficients are equal. Then find the value of r. That is the question. Okay. We know that coefficient of x power r in expansion 1 plus x whole power n is, what is the answer? NCR. Coefficient of x power r. Okay. Deepesh? Okay. So coefficient of rth term, like that says they can ask otherwise. Coefficient of rth term, for example, rth term in 1 plus x whole power n is NCR minus 1. Okay. They can ask this way or this way. Coefficient of x, if they're asking coefficient of x power r, like this. If they're asking rth term, like this. Fine. Now, come to the question. Coefficient of r minus 5 to r minus 1 term in 1 plus x whole power 34 r. Anyone? 34, see r minus 5. R minus 5 means minus 1, that means r minus 6. And 34c 2r minus 2. Condition is given, they are equal. Coefficients of r minus 5 fifth term and 2r minus 1th terms are equal. That is, according to question, 34c r minus 6 is equal to 2r minus 2. Dear students, how many of you accepting this formula? I think this is NCR is equal to NCS. When it is possible, N is equal to R plus S or R is equal to S. Am I correct? So these, what is the case? R is equal to S or? Okay, now simplify. So 34 is equal to R minus 6 plus 2R minus 2 or R minus 6 is equal to R minus 2. Simplify. This is not possible. Why? Because negative value is coming for this one. 42 is equal to 3R. R is how much? That is the answer. Please read all of you. Can I proceed, dear students? Proceed. Repairs completed. Shruti, raise your hands. Dilip sir, raise your hands. Raka madam. Ankit Ramana, raise your hands. Vikram Alla. Tarun. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay, very good listening. Yeah, right on. In binomial expansion, right now. In binomial expansion. Hands down. Remove hands. In binomial expansion of 1 plus x whole power n. 7 marks question, dear students. Essay question. Long answer. The coefficients of the coefficients of the fifth, sixth, seventh terms are in arithmetic progression. Then find n. This is the question. We know the write down. What is that? Coefficients of fifth, sixth, and seventh terms in 1 plus x whole power n. For the case, NC4, NC5, NC6, respectively. That is what the meaning. NC4, NC5, and 6. What the given? RN AP. So, dear students, what the meaning RAP means what? 2 times NC5 is equal to NC4 plus NC6. What is the I am writing formula? A, B, C, R, and AP means what the formula? 2B is equal to A plus C. So, both are divided with NC5. So, NC4 by NC5 plus NC6 by NC5. That is the answer. So, I am writing one formula. What is the formula? Be careful. NCR by NCR minus 1. Anyone? N minus R plus 1 by R. So using this formula, what is the result? Therefore, 2 is equal to NC4 by NC5. What is the answer? See, N means N. R means how much? Tell me. Volta is coming. That means here 5. That means here 5 by N minus 5. No. N minus R means okay. N minus 4. Okay, writing. See carefully. Plus n minus 5 by 6. That is the answer. So take the LCM. 6 into n minus 4, 30 plus n minus 5 into n minus 6. Apply the cross multiplication. 12 into n minus 4. Dear students, simplify. So this is the n minus 4. No? Yeah, n minus 4 means changing. This is n minus 4. How much is coming? Minus 9n plus 20. Now, after simplifying n square, each and every time transpose to right hand side. Minus 12 means minus 21n. Next 50. Next 48. That means 98 is equal to 0. The factorizing possible. So n minus 14 into n minus 7. N can be what? 7 or that is the triple star question. Right now. Ready? No, see. Five. Coefficient of x power 5 in its expansion. Okay, just a minute.